Hello everybody, my name is Arnett. Today I'm making muffins. Dinosaur muffins!
Chocolate muffin.
Yes, and also dinosaurs, which Mama's gonna print.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some dinosaur pictures.
Yes, and I'm gonna make some dinosaur balloons, but just two, because she doesn't want me to waste all of it.
Okay, and then what do you need to do first?
Wash your hands and wash the egg.
Wash the egg, but you need to
Heat up the oven.
want to show?
Yes. Let's show everybody the oven. Even Mama's holding the camera. Here's the oven.
It's very hot, right?
Yes, you
So who does it? Mama do it for you, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm not bigger because I can put anything there. Because I'm not burn my hands.
Yeah. Okay, so you've washed your hands already, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what ingredients do you have?
I have egg, cocoa, and we also need water and the mixer and the
Mixing bowl, yeah.
What call this?
Okay, that's where you're gonna put the muffins in. Oh, what's that? What's that?
Cocoa.
Cocoa and flour mixed together already, right?
Yes. Do we crack the egg first?
Sure, you can crack the egg. Do you need help?
It's breaking.
More. Oh, no. Okay, you do it here. Okay,
Oh
throw
my
it here.
God.
You wanna go wash your hands?
No. This is how they make mess.
Don't make a mess.
Oh.
I'll give you a tissue. Here's a kitchen towel.
Yes. Thank you. I'm so
Okay, we're just
happy.
gonna go quickly to see what is it that you're doing, okay? Let me see. Oh, there you go. You're mixing the, what is that?
Egg. And
Yeah.
this egg yolk.
Mix it well. We're gonna put this eggshell away, okay? Oh!
You!
Sorry.
You scared me, Mama.
Okay, I'll just put these away so that you have more space. The muffin pan. Okay.
Is it done?
A bit more.
It looks like it has white.
A bit more. Okay, we're going to put that in the mixing bowl, right?
Done?
Yeah, I guess. We'll mix it again inside the mixing bowl. You want to put it?
Yes. Where do I put the fork?
Here, put it in this other bowl here with the eggshell. Okay.
Oh my
Alright, so
goodness.
wait. Before you put it in. Hold on. Okay.
Ready?
Ready.
Can I put it?
Okay.
Just put it.
Oh, careful. Hold properly. Hold the bowl properly. Anna, hold the bowl at the tip like that. Yeah, hold it properly. Just pour everything in. Okay, so let me see. Alright.
That looks good.
That looks good.
That looks a bit.
A bit what? A bit yellow. Yeah, you still need to mix it a bit more, I think.
I think we can use the mixer.
You can.
Where's mixer? Okay. It's slimy.
It's not slimy, it's eggy. What are you doing?
I'm mixing the egg inside this big bowl we have. When you meet a big bowl, ask your mom to get it.
Okay, very good. And then, do you need to add this?
Yes.
What's that?
Water.
You put the egg, then you put the
Water.
water. Careful. Alright. Okay, and then you mix it some more. Wow. Okay. Then what are you gonna do? Put the flour, the
Coke.
sugar. So we're going to give you this, and then you're gonna put it in. This is a simple cake mix, right?
Yes.
Put carefully.
Yes, I need to stir out because I don't know where I'm sitting.
Put carefully.
Can I put all of it?
Yeah, put all of it. This is a great mix for kids, isn't it?
Yes.
This is easy. Alright. Uh-oh, you got it all over the spoon now. You have to mix it well.
Get it off.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, mix it. Nicely. What's it? Oh, there's a bit of chocolate chip as well. It's already in there. So you can mix it all, mix it
I
nicely.
didn't know.
I still see flour in there. Come on. Are you having fun? Do you think this will taste nice?
Yeah. When you don't like it, I'll be sad.
Oh, come on. It'll taste great. I'll just show you on the video how chocolatey it is. Wow. Is it hard?
Nope.
Is it difficult to mix?
Nope. Just need to take all it. There.
Okay.
There's chocolate chip there.
There's chocolate chip there. Okay, can I have a look? Okay. I'll just have a quick look. Okay. Are you done with the mix?
Oh, yes.
Oh, you gonna mix it a bit more?
Yes. Everybody.
Wow, look at that. So chocolatey, right, Anna?
Yes.
Yeah, do you think it'll be yummy?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's put in there now.
Oh, okay. We're gonna have to put what, this muffin
Muffins.
cups, is it?
Yes.
Okay. And then we're gonna have to put it here in the muffin pan. Alright.
It's hard to take it out.
Is it? Do you know?
No, I think I know how to do it. Yes, I do it.
Okay, alright. Careful. I think we're just making a small batch. So we don't clean it out.
Do we mean 8?
We need 8, yes.
1,
Count 2.
2.
Mm-hmm.
I think we have 3. These are just.
Oh!
Oh no! Oh my god!
Okay, okay. You want help?
No.
You're right there?
Is this 4?
Yeah.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. There's another one.
Come.
Okay, guys. Mom's gonna help me to do this.
Put.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6.
Oh!
No. 7. Give me.
Oh!
I hope that's 8. 8.
Okay, and then, okay, let's put all this stuff away. So we've got 8 cups, right?
Yes.
So we're gonna have to scoop it up. Okay, this is where you probably need my help with it.
No, I know how to do this by myself.
Are you sure about this? Yeah, use this.
That's okay, Mom. I know how to do it. This is my video, okay?
Okay. So, okay.
Is that enough?
Okay, remember what I said? Be careful. I can't reach over. You sure you don't need my help there? Over that side? Okay, ready? Ready? 1. Oh, it's still spilling. Too much, maybe. Okay, ready? 1, 2, go.
Go.
4. Nicely. Up, higher a bit. Not too high, but can you do it?
Yes.
Okay.
Do
Nicely. Okay, and then put it back in.
What?
Quick. Okay.
Now we need to do another one.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh no, too much.
Too much.
You're gonna spill everywhere.
Shake.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
1, 2. Which one are you going for? Which one?
This one.
The second one. Alright, 1. Let's hit there. Ready, steady, go! Pour it.
Pour it.
Nah, a bit more.
I
Pour
said
some
pour
more.
Do I go quickly in the bowl now?
What?
Do I go quickly in the bowl?
Go quickly into the bowl. Do you spill anything?
One drop went there.
Oh, but it looks nice. Okay. Wait. You got this thing, right? It's blocking you. Hold on.
My God.
Okay. Alright, are you ready? Oh, too much. We're gonna Fill that. Okay, which one are you going for?
That one.
The third one?
Yeah,
So wait,
that's
before that maybe we should turn it a bit.
Oh, it's gonna sink down.
Yeah, let's go this way like that.
Mama is sinking.
Okay, ready? Alright.
We're
We'll do a
sinking.
few more, okay?
Okay, guys, we're doing a few more. So bye bye, and we're gonna come back soon. Now we're done. Look at it.
Look at what?
We're looking at the cupcake.
Oh, okay. What happened to this one?
We accidentally got in trouble with it.
Okay, but everything else is nice and it looks very yummy. Where does it go now?
It goes in the oven, which Mama had to put it
Because
because it's hot and very hot. It might burn my hands now.
yeah. Okay, so it's going to the oven now, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll put it in.
Yes.
Okay, so once it's ready, we will put some dinosaur pictures, right? Okay. All right.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye.
See you on my next video. Muffins are ready.
That's Hazi. Hi.
My favorite dinosaur is Brachiosaurus.
Okay, Hazi's gonna do it together with you, right? And put it there.
Your favorite dinosaur, Hazi.
What is that?
T-Rex.
T-Rex.
Hazi.
Oh, he likes T-Rex. He wants to do that.
T-Rex.
Oh, only one? Wow, there's two in one cup muffin. Oh no! Oh. Can I see? Wow! Oh, they're friends.
Oh, we'll save this for
So how many muffins do you have again? Count the muffins.
one. How many well?
How many do you have? Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Wait.
Count, Haziq, count.
Wait, you had 2 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many well?
Again.
1, 2,
No,
3.
count here. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7,
8, 9.
10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
8.
How many well?
Oh my goodness, guys. You got confused with all the pictures?
Yeah, Haziq's right though. There's 7 with dinosaurs.
Oh, 7 with dinosaurs. Oh, wait, Haziq, aren't you gonna eat? He's gone.
No.
You wanna eat?
Let's eat it.
Yeah? Ready to eat?
I'm gonna eat my favorite
Okay,
dinosaur.
wait. You're gonna have to say bye-bye. Oh, we're going to show a video of you eating instead.
Oh.
Really?
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay. Say thank you everyone for watching. Come on.
Thank you everybody for watching, and remember to hit the subscribe button.
Hit the subscribe button. Yeah. Okay.
Hey,
Oh, don't fight over the cake. Oh no. Who's having what cake? What cake do you have? What cake?
I got the Brachiosaurus.
Okay.
Oh, I have cake.
Alright. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Oh, nobody's looking at the video now.